students. This is your geography teacher Shobha Chaudhary. Students, today we are going to know about problems of water availability. Now, water shortage. It is happening because of increasing population. There is a scarcity of water in many regions of the world. And which are those areas? Most of Africa, West Asia, South Asia, parts of Western USA, Northwest Mexico, parts of South America, and entire Australia. These countries are facing shortages in fresh water supply. Countries located in climatic zones most susceptible to drought and face great problems of water scarcity. Water shortage may be a consequence of variation in seasonal or annual precipitation. Means the areas which receive low rainfall or no rainfall. Means those areas which are receiving very less amount of rainfall or almost no rainfall. Those areas are facing scarcity of water. It is caused by over exploitation. Why it is caused? Because of over exploitation and contamination of water sources. Now I am going to make you understand about what is over exploitation. Industries, most of the industries are using water, and after use the wastage from the industries which is directly throwing into the sea, river without treatment. So that is water is getting polluted. Now we understood in this lockdown rivers are getting purified. Most of the pollutants are reduced and this is literally getting fresh. So we can understand, in absence of wastage, in absence of harmful effluents which were produced from industries, is not nowadays it is not going to meet to the rivers or sea. That's why this pollution problem is almost reduced. So we need to take steps towards it, and again we have to take some major steps not to pollute water bodies. Another one is increasing urbanization and rising standards of living are also major factors which leads to shortage in supply of fresh water, either due to drying up of water sources or water pollution. Rising demands for food and cash crops. The demand is also rising, and food and cash crop farmer has to grow. So they need water to irrigate these crops. So these all are the reasons. Problems of water availability is increasing due to these reasons. In this video we understood about it, and in next video we will understand conservation of water resources. Thank you, children.